You need only one skill.
Wait a minute.
Don't think about too many things, just learn one skill. In 2017, my life changed for the better when I learned and I studied digital marketing. I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur. That was why I resigned from my job back then in one of the best banks in Nigeria, because it didn't make sense to me for me to be working in a corporate environment while having entrepreneurship dreams. How did I get into digital marketing? It was a very funny story, but anyway.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
My mentor, who is massively known within the hospitality space, wanted to go into online gambling. He wanted to create the online version of the offline gambling you see today. So we approached several digital marketing agencies. They were just bringing so many amazing ideas. But the both of us, me, my mentor, we knew nothing about digital marketing. So everything just sounded very funny. So I decided that I would learn digital marketing. So with the knowledge I have from digital marketing, I can be able to understand what the agencies are talking about. So in 2020, I resigned from my full-time job then with my mentor, and I focused 100% on my online business, and we're able to scale that business outside Nigeria. We were in about 5 major African countries, got some really good offers that we couldn't reject. But after that, we have gone on to start another 3 online businesses, one in the e-commerce space, one in the property space, and the other in CPaaS space. CPaaS basically means communication product as a service. So we'll be talking more about some of these products I'm building, and how you could be a part of it, or how you can even go ahead to build yours.
Hey y'all, come look at this.